Good morning, cookies. It is number corner time. Can you remember what month we're in right now? It starts with the letter S, which makes the sound. You said September. You're correct. Awesome job. Kiss your brain one time. Okay, we're going to review our pattern for the month. And if you look right here, you'll see we have, circle, say it with me, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, square. And if we look back here, we will see circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, our clock, rectangle, the window, triangle, the flag, square, the checkerboard, circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, a quarter, rectangle, a rug, triangle, a garland flag, and today, if you guessed, it's a square-shaped envelope. Today is the 16th, written with a 1 and a 6. And we can double check that by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16. I forgot to stop. Always stop because this hasn't been turned over yet. Tomorrow is a special day. Sorry guys, originally we had a no school day. They changed it. Yes, next Friday you still have to get on the computers and have school. Now, we have a special day coming up tomorrow. It is Constitution Day, and we'll talk a little bit about that in our morning meeting tomorrow. So, let's review days of the week. You guys are great counters. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I realized I said counter, so let's count how many days of the week there are. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days of the week. Let's find out how many months there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now if we go to September, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to show you over here how we write the date in a short way instead of having to write out September a whole way. So give me a second, get you guys up here. Hi guys. Now, if you look over here, I'm just going to scoot this over a little bit so we've got some room here. And I'll be down here. Let's grab our dry erase marker. Now, September is the 9th month, so we write a 9 for September. The day is the 16th, and it is the year 2020. Usually we take just the last two numbers on a year and put it there. However, we have, with it being 20, we don't want anybody to add anything after. So for 2020, we've been writing it out with 2020 all the way there. Alrighty. Just a little thing, it's a safety thing. We write out 2020. Okay, we're going to add our red sticker. Yep, this is where I get it from, the sticker sheet, to our 10 frame. Now we know we have 10 up here and we have 2 more. So 10 and 2 more, if we start from 10, we go 10, 11, 12. So 10 and 2 more make 12. Let's check our links. I'm going to add our link here. We know we have a 10 link there, and we have 2 more here. So 10 and 2 more make 12. Yes, now we have to write the number 12. Do you know what comes first in the number 12? You're right, a 1. So we're going to add a 1 and a 2 for 12. I know it doesn't sound like that, but yes, that is how it is read. 12. I didn't make it up. Don't fuss at me on that. Okay. So, 12. Once again, how to make a 12. how to write a 12. Do you know I have kids who say they draw the number 12? Nope, we're writing it. Okay, so say 1 and a 2. That makes the number 12. Time for our calendar collector. We have the spinner. Our spinner landed on, that's right, show me that many fingers. 4. So we're going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add those to week 3 pocket. And we are all done with number count corner today. Don't forget, in your blue folders, there is a paper inside a pocket protector. You can always practice how to write your numbers any time of the day that you want to. And you just use the eraser to clean it all off. So, keep counting, keep finding those numbers, and don't forget to use your noodle to be a good mathematician. Have a cookie-licious day.